Welcome back to another episode. Today is going to be really interesting. I'm trying to keep it light and healthy. Summer's coming up, so we're gonna make some healthy breakfast right now. So today I'm gonna be making an avocado toast with a poached egg. All right, so right here we have some fresh, made from scratch home style white bread. We got fresh mint, one avocado, but I sliced it in half. I'm gonna use this as garnish, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the other half. We got an egg, some red onions. We're gonna use some lemon juice and also the lemon zest. We got some Tabasco sauce to bring some heat to the dish, salt and pepper. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be using a cast iron skillet to toast my bread. So we're gonna get that on, start to get it hot. Then we're just gonna go ahead and slice our bread. Cut this first part off. I'm just gonna make like about an inch thick. While I have my bread going, you remember, you can toast your bread any way you like. There are many ways to toast bread, so don't beat yourself up too much on how you toast your bread. It's all about the flavors that we're gonna build in this avocado. So here we have a half of avocado, and then what we're gonna do is start mashing it. All right. And here I got about 3 tablespoons of red onions. I'm gonna just go ahead and add that. Go ahead, mix it in. We're gonna add our mint, fresh mint, some coarse salt, and also some coarse black pepper. And now what we're gonna do is cut our lemon in half, squeeze a bit. Probably about a tablespoon, and let's zest a little bit of the lemon rind in there also. That pop of citrus is gonna be really delicious. All right, let's mix this in, and make sure you taste it so you know how to adjust your flavors. If you want more salt or if you want more pepper. This seems like it needs a little bit more pepper. Go ahead. All right, and then we're gonna put about half tablespoon of Tabasco sauce. Any hot sauce will do. You just wanna mix it up, you know. Breakfast will be ready in no time. So now we have our toast. We're gonna put on our avocado. Nice and thick. We want to make sure we accentuate all the different levels of flavor in our dish. So we're going to go ahead, put a nice bit of cracked black pepper on that and some salt. And then I'm just going to go ahead, we're going to plate, well, I'm going to put on the other half of avocado on there. All right, our avocado toast is looking really beautiful. So now we're just gonna finish it up, garnish it. So just take some red chili flakes and just sprinkle it over it. Add a little bit more heat, and we're just gonna tuck a few mint leaves right in there. Nice. So now, last but not least, we're gonna put on our poached egg right on top. Gotta be careful. All right. If you want to learn how to make a poached egg just like this, put it in the description below or answer the poll on the top of the video, and I'll let you know. I'll make a video just for that. But right now, it's breakfast time, so let's dig in.